DJT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. With Trump Media and Technology went down 29.59, and we can see that it's like that's where we're sitting at, but it was like 1% down on Friday, and last week's performance was a decent 17% gains. Now I'm still willing to take it up. Now, just for context, all I'm sticking to is a strategy that's previously given me thousands of predictions, and I've documented everything. So with DJT, you're gonna see that previously, since I've already seen this break, this is already bullish market for me. Therefore, I'm willing to take it up. I'm aware elections coming around, I don't know how much exactly days, but it's right around the corner. So there's going to be a big hit on DJT, whether positive or negative, we're going to see. But I'm only really going to consider this as a buy, a clean buy if the price gives me the rules still. So if you want to learn the strategy, you want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description.